Okay, tell me about the main characteristics of your class.
Yeah, the class that I had, in fact, it was like I mixed two different groups. I got kind of half and half, and it was year 5 and year 6. In total, I had 30 students, roughly. Yeah, we had some SEN children, so children with special needs, and technical setup that we needed to do our exchange was like smart boards, of course, computers or tablets, internet connection that sometimes is not as good as we want, and projector, microphones, basic stuff. Because as I told you, our area is kind of it's a challenging area in terms of even financially as well, no? And we have to use what we had, and that was what is really what we had and what we still have nowadays. And we have to talk. Next slide, please, Barry. And if we need to talk about the other group, they had only 20 children. Okay, they were year 6. They had no special needs, and the main difference between our group and my group and the other group was the level of Spanish that they had. The technical setup, as you can see there, was exactly the same. And I think that's the main thing. You know, if we want to talk a little bit about both groups, that's the main thing I want to mention. Yeah.